So guys, I'm working on this fridge in my bunker. So don't mind why my AC unit is so loud. Anyways, here's my room with working cameras. Can you see? It has working cameras. So this is the fridge I'm working on. And there's a bedroom. I didn't put a camera there though. And here's the outside. You can see these, and then if I go right here, oh wait, I forgot I didn't. Oh my! Thank God I didn't break. And then for the final camera, it's just stuck like this. Can't move it at all. And let me show you the bedroom. That's bedroom. And here's the bedroom. So you can sleep on which bed you want. Just pick a bed and you will sleep in it. The worst bed is this is the worst bed because your head is right near the light. What am I saying? So now, huh? Oh. Anyways, here's the fridge. It works, but this gap is the problem. Why don't I just... Yeah, this is the problem. This annoying gap in here makes it look trash. It's freaking trash. It's freaking trash. What? Let me put that back down. Anyways... This door is really sturdy. So don't mind this because that's where we're because that's where the door to the to my room used to be. Okay, and if I press this camera, I can make my camera go over here and then the door will open. I can do it again to close the door and make the light red again. And then now it's green again. Pretty cool, right? My AC unit is so loud. Although I have like anyways, I have like an air purifier back here, so my air isn't dusty. The thing that's really loud is my AC unit. Yeah, don't mind that. That's someone leaving the house back there. Hopefully you can't hear it because I can hear it. Yeah, everything works. Anyways, that's it for the video. But wait, I said